Hi, I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about how to prevent fasting constipation. So there are 5 different tools to keep in your arsenal to prevent fasting constipation. The first is the most golden tool, which is the colonics and enemas, because that's going to keep the waste moving out. The second tool I recommend is what I call a stool for your stool. You're going to bring in a little stool or a waste bin. Works perfectly. The waste bin that you have in your bathroom right now, if you flip it over, it's going to be exactly the right height, about 18 inches high. And you're going to put your feet up on that. And when you put your feet up on the stool for your stool, it's going to put you into a position that's more like squatting. And that's actually how indigenous people used to move their bowels. And it makes it for a much more seamless pathway for the bowels to flow. So you'll find that if you're finding it difficult to move sitting on a toilet regularly, when you elevate your feet, everything will flow much more smoothly. Another thing you can use is a castor oil pack. Rub castor oil on your belly, get a hot water bottle, and between the hot water bottle and the castor oil on your belly, if you place a flannel cloth and then place the water bottle on top of the flannel cloth, and just let that sit for a while, the castor oil will penetrate the skin and start to help move things along in the large intestine. That's a really great tool. Also, self-massage, literally massaging your intestine in a clockwise motion from the lower right side up to the upper right side, across to the left side, and then down the left side. So literally in a clockwise motion. This will also help encourage the movement of the bowels. Another way to alleviate constipation when you're fasting would be to take aloe vera. There's a great brand called Herbal Answer. It's a whole leaf raw aloe vera product. And taking 2 to 4 ounces of this product each day will really help to move things along. And finally, another great technique is moving the body in twist. Literally going from side to side, twisting the upper body crosswise. Twist will also really help promote the movement of a stagnant bowel.